Yes, sir. I am not really looking at GU right now, but let's do GJ real quick. So on the weekly time frame, you see clearly she's bullish. And we know how we closed last week with this very, very strong bullish candle. Why did that happen? Because the week before that, right here, we closed creating support. And when we create support and an uptrend, more than likely that next candle is going to go bullish. And that's exactly what happened. So I have a completely bullish bias for GJ still. Let's just see. I didn't get today's entry because it was too like by 8 o'clock we were just all the way up here and I was not into it by that time. But I knew that we're gonna continue bullish. That's the bias I had because even the 4 hour, the whole time was just completely bullish. And that's wonderful and that's nice. Now for gold, we had some leverage. So completely bullish on the weekly, right? This is a double bottom that's being created at this moment. Yes, the previous weekly candle did close bearish, but what does that mean to me when we're bullish? When this candle engulfed this candle, and this bearish candle is no bigger than this candle. So I still think that we bulls have the advantage right now. So even though the daily, and it's funny how you actually no, because the whole time, if I would have put a support level right here, based off of this support that was created, bro, we still never officially broke because there's not a single bearish candle all under here. It's always bearish, bullish, 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 bearish, bullish. It never had a chance. And that's why my bias has been buy the whole time on gold, because I'm going based off of the daily, flow or whatever. And that's what's happening. So yeah, had a buy bias, especially after this. I had a buy bias when we were down here because I understood what was going on. And then this candle made a higher low and engulfing, just like I love to see, which is one of my main confluences these days. And then we continued bullish. Right. So even today, where we were, I looked at the left and we were in the midst of all this support right here. So I was like, okay, I think today could be a nice trade. Drop down to the 4 hour. Ideally, I wouldn't have wanted to trade after I saw the 4 hour make this engulfing, signaling that, hey, this is like a higher low. We might be safe to enter now. If I entered before that, my entry would have been, let's see, at around 9:30. 10. Should have been like this. That's how it would have been. It would have been based off of this bullish candle, put the stop below here. Realistically here, because I know where my daily level is. But if I waited until after the 4 hour candle closed bullish, I would have entered in around 1 p.m., which is like here. The line engulfing would have been right there. Stop would have been right here. So this would have been my trade. If I went via the 15-minute out 1 o'clock, I probably wouldn't have wanted to, but who knows? Or this could be a potential entry right here. This 30-minute engulfing candle creating support and a higher low. That's also an option. But yeah, we'll just see how far this goes. I just like when it was still in this daily level. You know what I mean? So we'll see. Of course, a 2 hour bin created that. And then for GU, I really had it off my charts for like a while. We're bearish on the daily time frame. I'll give you that. But on the weekly, we're bullish. So now what I feel like I must do is wait for the daily to give me some sort of sign that we're going to go back bullish again. So that's waiting for a high low to form. So that's me seeing something like, if I just see a bullish candle create support, like just like that up here, I'll be good to go the following day. Because more than likely, if that happens, then the 4 hours is going to be in sync. And then I can go ahead and, you know, put some fibs on and go on to the 30-minute or 15-minute time frame and take some entries during New York session. So yeah, that's my plan. Let's see. So we got some volatility on Thursday. But I feel like this might be a really good week. It might not be too hectic. I'm going to be doing a lot of moving within the next 2 weeks. So if you don't see me, forgive me. Okay, yeah. Bullish bias all the way for both. And gold looks like it's pushing nicely right now. So, all right, happy trading.